Hello everyone, welcome. So today we are going to talk about why some startups are offering 45 LPA packages to fresher. Yes. And we'll also discuss what are these startups which has opening for fresher in business development, front-end development and back-end development role. Companies which I'm going to cover today, they are not looking for any prior experience. They are not looking for what degree you have. What they are focusing is the skills. If you have the skill, go and apply for those companies. So before proceeding with that, let me tell you the difference between a startup company offering huge package than an MNC company which are offering 4, 5, 7 LPA till 7 LPA. Big MNCs are offering. Why these companies are offering less and these startup companies are offering more? So the answer for this question is funding and investors. So basically, when you have a choice between a startup and an MNC, then never miss an opportunity to work in a startup, product-based startup, spatially product-based startup, which has funding or which has multiple investors. Now, how you can check any funding of any startup? For that, I have already told you there is a website called Crunchbase. And today also, I'm going to show you where you can see the funding of some of the startups which are offering these offer. So when you see the funding is huge in a company, never miss that opportunity. Now let's see what are these startups which are offering such huge package. Now the first startup is WebEngage. They are offering role for business development and the CTC is 7 LPA. You can see the funding of this startup is 30 crore and the team size is less, 51 to 200. Yeah, it is a startup. You will be seeing most of the startup have team size near around 200 or less than 200, some 50, some 35. Okay, now this is about the company. What is WebEngage? WebEngage is a user engagement platform that automates communication. Now to know more about the company, you can read this about company and I will directly jumping you through the required skill. So what are the skills this company is asking? They are looking for lead generator and prior experience in sales development, business development, preferably in a SaaS companies. So if you have experience, even this is for fresher as well. If you are a fresher, you can apply for this company, but they are preferring if they get a resource, if they get an employee who have already 1 to 2 year or 3 year of work experience in this field, then they are also most welcome. So 0 to till 3 year of experience and you can apply over here. Now let's move to the next company. The next company is Meta. Now you can see the CTC they are offering is 20 to 45 lakhs. Okay. What role they are offering? They are offering role for front-end development. Yeah, for front-end development, why they are offering this huge CTC? You can see the funding over here, that is $420K. That's why they are offering this CTC. See, the employee size is 11 to 50 and they are getting funding huge. So you can expect each and every employee in that company is getting huge salary. So do you have to worry about your job security? No, because they have huge investors. They have funding. They have quite huge funding. So never hesitate in applying in such company which are offering you huge package and they have a backup or they have a good funding. Now you can read this company over here in the about company. I'll just give you a brief intro about this company. Meta is introducing scenes by Avalon. Make friends and meet people with similar interests. Jump into discussion on any topic. Find your scene here. So this is all about the company. To know more about this company, you can read over here in the about company. Now I will directly taking you to the required skills. The required skills they are looking is experience level 3+ year of experience. Okay, and expertise in React Native, Java, C Sharp, and development responsibility. These kind of development responsibility you have. And apart from that, good communications. So if you think you are eligible for this, do not miss this opportunity and go ahead and apply for this company. Now let's jump to the next company, MoEngage. MoEngage is offering CTC up to 25 LPA. And they are offering job for backend development role. MoEngage is a B2B SaaS based customer engagement platform. To know more about this company, you can read this. Now let's talk about the funding. The funding they are getting is 175 crore. Okay, that's why they are offering you 25 LPA with no doubt. And the team size you can see is 200 to 500. So within 200 to 500 employee, if they are offering you 25 LPA, then it's not a doubt because they have a huge funding. Now I will directly take you to the required skills they are looking for is Java, Python, Falcon, Elasticsearch, Kafka, MongoDB, AWS, Linux, and MapReduce. If you think you have these skills, go ahead and apply for this company. Do not without any hesitation. Now the important question is how to apply into these companies. Basically, as a fresher, you won't get a job that requires your skill. Basically, you will not get a skill-based job directly at the first point. So, but in India, we have some platform which are providing such job. Unacademy has created a platform, a hiring platform, which helps fresher and people in the early career to work with these companies. So what you have to do, you need to simply register for the re-level test. You need to book a slot for your test. You need to take the test. They will generate your scorecard within 24 hours. And they will create your profile or your application, and they will forward your application to these company, and these company will be calling you for an interview. The entire process will take less than a week. So it is not like any other hiring process which usually takes months and months. Within a week, you will be getting your interview call letter. So you don't have to worry or you don't have to wait for longer period. So this is the beauty of this. And for registration fees, you need to pay 1,999. But suppose if you are watching this video, then I have an offer for you. You can use my coupon code, that is TEL10, and you can get 10% discount on that. And you need to only pay 1,799. So what are you waiting for? Go and register yourself for the right company and for the right profile where you want it to be. So hope you guys like this video. If you like this video, don't forget to press thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't subscribed it yet. Thank you guys. Thank you for watching.